How to create countdown timer in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add countdown timer to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store on the left side of your screen. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can click edit theme. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the countdown timer in this area. Let's say, so I'm gonna click add section in the template tab. So you can click add section here, and then you can search for custom liquid. This one, you can click it, and now you can, name it maybe countdown, and then you can put the code. So in order to get the code, you can go to offsite.com and then sign up for an account. After that, you can just click explore widgets, and we will find a lot of widgets here. And if you scroll down, you will find countdown timer here. You can click on it. Then as you can see, create countdown timers to build urgency, highlight limited offers, and motivate visitors to take action faster. So you can just click create widget for free. And then there are some templates or styles, so you can choose that fits with your website or your Shopify store. So it's up to you, a lot of template here, a lot of option here. So maybe I want to this one, maybe this one, this is good. I think it's simple and good. You can just click continue here, and then you can, set the text. You can customize the text, and yeah, you can modify here. You can, do whatever you want. So you can just click add, and this is the preview, and then you can just click publish here, and then you can select the plan. I'm gonna choose the free one, and now you can just click copy code, and then go back again to the your website editor and paste the code here, press it and wait for a few seconds, and then it will be like this. It's perfect. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.